This is day 4 of blowing out my hair and sleeping on it with the Dyson Airstrait. And I gotta tell you, my hair feels softer than it's ever felt. But I wanna show you how the Dyson Airstrait works on dry hair. So wet to dry, we see that works incredibly well, but can it straighten and make dry hair look better? It claims it can, so let's put it to the test. I have some Olaplex 7. I'm gonna throw that in my hair as kind of a heat protectant, and then we'll section it up and go. Okay, I put half my hair up, and now let's start hitting it with this. So over here is your on button. Turn that on, and then there's modes. So that was the cleaning. It always goes through a real quick cleaning cycle. And now I have it on the dry hair. So it's not the wet to dry, this is on dry hair. And we'll start using it. Okay, bottom half is done. I love that this comes with a little rubber mat here. So when you're done, you just set it down and it's gonna turn off automatically after a few seconds. There it goes. So it turns off automatically when you're not using it, which is great. And then you can give your hands a second, fix anything. A lot of people say this gets heavy. For me, it doesn't get heavy, but I do use that mat to put it down between sections. I love how fast it is. And the other thing I really, really love about it is because it's a lower heat, I've noticed a lot less breakage on my hair. A lot of times when I do my hair with a flat iron, there's just hair everywhere when I'm done and not as much with this. Okay, let's start again. So it automatically turns back on. One more little piece. Okay, here's the after. I really, really love how quick and how easy it is to use. My only thing that I think it could be improved is that sometimes at the crown area, I still have waves in there. So you see that? That's just how my hair is. This is a little more difficult for me to get those up there. Now I know you can also hold it and just use it as an air dryer, but that doesn't quite flatten them as much as I would like for my hair where the waves start at the crown. That's my only thing that I would improve. Otherwise, this thing is incredible. My hair feels so soft and you're gonna love it.